I'm here in the Saugus Marsh at the new culvert installed at Crescent Marsh across this access road to the landfill in Saugus. This was installed by Massachusetts Highway Department in 2020. You could see this is the outlet. The water comes down, then goes through some riprap. The high tide line is depicted higher than the obvert of the culvert here, as you could see by the waterline marks. If you look closely, the shoreline has always been a terribly eroding spot right here, but the Highway Department stabilized their section that they were doing work in, that they have an easement. The rest is not owned by them. The old pipe, look at it. That's a piece of the old corrugated metal pipe that was asphalt coated originally, but these rust in a marine environment, and somehow this debris was left here. I remember when this piece fell off the culvert and was blocking the flow, and it was bent backwards so that we could restore the flow to the marsh by the Essex County mosquito control person at the time who assisted. Anyway, okay, a little debris in the marsh. And this is a creek that ultimately leads out to Bear Creek. And you could see here, this is a scour hole long ago formed by the culvert being a hydraulic restriction in a sense. And this is, you know, unfortunately a natural phenomenon that you're going to have some erosion like this. You could see it's probably exacerbated with some pieces of salt marsh collapsing as it is expanding. There's a little bit of foam there. I'd be concerned about fish getting trapped in the riprap, which is not exactly a smooth profile, you know, to prevent fish sort of being sieved, but hopefully that won't occur here.